What's the meaning of camp follower? Camp follower. Camp follower.
Camp follower. Camp follower. A camp follower is someone who attaches themselves to a group or organization, typically an army or military unit, and follows them wherever they go. These individuals are not official members of the group, but rather provide services such as cooking, cleaning, and often engage in prostitution. The term originated during times of war when armies would bring their families along with them and would require the help of additional individuals to assist with daily tasks. Today, the term is used more broadly to describe anyone who attaches themselves to a group or activity without actual membership.